Nangalumzuzu, welcome to Theatre TV, another episode of Young Jolena Mtanam, another day, another banger, another hot one, another big one, another slat one. Dr. M. Beto.
Santumela.
How? I need to eat.
Hayi leni nokuthi yini triple list no siyantumela.
Siyanibamba.
Hey, siyanibamba. Yabo igama lesho lithi uyangijolela. So siyababamba.
Siyabadumela.
Yabo siyabadumela.
Hey Zololo.
Hey. Hey, how guys, okay, welcome to Eduyaza TV Gafethu. Siyabonga kakhulu for your support. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for the comments. Thank you so much for the subscribers. Thank you so much for following Eduyaza page on Facebook, on Instagram. Thank you so much for following us as well. Thank you so much for buying merchandise at Eduyaza TV. Thank you so much for everything, guys. You guys deserve a round of applause actually. Khani khomisile ukuthi nathatha umuntu eJustin nimthathe nimuthi papa mase nimuthi kancane. Thank you so much bafethu. Bathi kwenze njani namhlanje?
Namajita uthula, amajita uthu akhala ngentombi. Intombi iyafeba, intombi sandana nabantu abawuthu ngathini. Babenza ngani inhlanga. Asibakhuluma ngazi ikhaladi or yini.
Angazi uzositshela kodwa mayefika la angazositshela.
Into esingona ukuthi
sokhuluma isingisi. Into ngicabangile nami le ukuthi umuntu uzokhuluma nje uJoji.
I hope you understand this Zulu buff.
Aye. Na ngethi beat by beat. Aye, my brother. We see we go there. We see we go there, my king.
Yeah.
As long as ezobe siza ukuthi sithini.
Yes. Yeah. You'll hear us.
Yeah, definitely. I definitely, as I was saying.
Yeah, basondele bafethu beyichaza.
Wozani gentlemen?
Siyizo ukuthi Linthangi. What's happening?
Sup?
What's happening? Jitas.
Lola.
Kambani mnandi.
Ayo.
Ya umunye ngeza ngalana.
Oh one come.
Ya right wena ngisifike ngani.
Hey. Ngifake nkingeni.
Angimfuna izingisi nje kwami. Bafamba kahle.
Mnandi nami
fresh phethu igama thina mina ngu Dr. V, Dr. Vusi. Yabo singodokotela ngoba manje siza abantu vele ngothando.
Okay.
Si specialize ngenhliziyo nangengqondo. Yeah, some specialist. We are doctors. Yes, ngingena ngesingisi. Yeah, we are doctors. Yes, this is Dr. M Musa Manqele. We are Eduyaza TV and we would like to thank you guys for ukusibhalela. That shows ukuthi niyastrust ukuthi singayisolve le case yenu. Ne? Ngabe ngikhuluma nobani la bafika
agama lami nguThatu.
Thato.
Yeah, Thatu ngiphuma iVal. Yeah.
You know Thato ukuthi makwenzeka lapha la bekudamba or kwenzeka la ini kunamantombazane la afuna abantu.
Yeah, something like that. If ever sokuphelile I am out there. I'm just available if sokuphelile.
Yes, well my ladies.
Yeah.
If kuyenzeka bayamdamba la uThatho uthi available. Thato bani?
Ngithathu Sitika.
Yeah. Kuno Facebook kuno Instagram na.
Yeah, on Facebook Thato Sitika, Instagram Thato Sitika. What's this TikTok Thato 96 uzongithola la.
Uyavuma ukuthi bakuthi uyadatsha la ukuthi bekshare amantombazana amanye.
Anytime. Plus you can see handsome guy wafethu.
Bafamba kanjani lapha? Grand.
Grand.
Usharp umfuka bani khuzana?
What's your name?
Riyaz.
Uduyaza.
What?
Riyaz.
Oh, Riyaz. I thought you said Duyaz. Hey.
Oh, Riyaz. It's a surname or a name?
Name.
Oh, okay. It's a surname? Lucky.
Yeah.
Oh, laba badlala ibhola laba. There's one who's playing for Sundowns or something.
Yeah.
What's his name? Something like, but his surname is Lucky.
This other one udlala Peshe or something, ne?
Who's that?
Omunye uLucky futhi. Babili phela uLucky. Ayibawu2 ngathi khona Super Sports. Khona bekadlala kweSundowns akasekho Sundowns. Yes, I think bayi2. Badlala bayi2 badlala ibhola. Okay.
What's the girl's name?
Shali.
How long you've been dating Shali?
It's been 5 months.
5 months.
I've been with her for 5 months. Yeah.
Yini le yachaza ngayo Shali yenza ukuthi?
No, she's just, she's just cute, man. She's built like an hourglass. She's just nice, man. That's my woman, dude.
Ne?
Yeah, I just love her. Dark skin girl, She's just pretty, focused, she's all that I've wanted as a girl, like on a girl. Yeah.
Yeah, into engimakile kule nkulumo yakho ukuthi that's my woman.
Yeah.
So njoba sekanjena njengamanje if say still that's my woman or ngoba sekunje.
I still feel like I still feel like that she's like 100% my woman. But if ever she feels another way, obviously, like I have to accept, you know. I have to accept. I don't know.
You think she's 100% your woman?
At this time in age, it's, you know,
It's critical but
it's,
stable.
it's critical but stable. Yeah. So anything but me, I do love her. But anything, yeah, anything what she says, I'm cool with it.
Lucky,
How's it?
how long have you been dating this girl?
About 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah.
Still fresh.
Fresh.
Yinde, what that thing that made you to approach her?
Too much, eh?
Too
What-
much.
Too much.
What do you mean too much, Mickey?
Yeah, she's beautiful, that girl.
Okay.
No. Even by a tone of her voice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. She has a heart. I saw that.
Yeah.
She's not all up in pockets, that's one thing I can tell you.
So can you say in these 3 months, 3
Yeah.
months, 1, 2, 3, you already have decided because you're taking this girl far, or you still thinking, you're still pushing, trying to see what's gonna happen along the way?
I really wanted to make things work out. Let it expand till the end, you know?
Nah, yeah.
Yeah, but unfortunately in that predicament. Yeah.
Predicament.
So how do you feel about this? And then what's gonna happen? Your conclusion. What's gonna be your ending?
Yeah. That's
You
a
want the
tough
girl to
one.
choose, or you want the guy to leave the girl, and then
The girl must choose. And
eh,
yeah, let she choose. Because at the end of the day, me I don't want to waste my time. There's much more out here,
nah,
you know?
okay.
So yeah.
So if girl, when she's here, maybe she's like she's choosing you,
Yeah.
are you gonna be okay with that? Are you gonna allow her to choose you?
No, I won't allow it.
So you're done with the girl?
Yeah,
You're done.
I'm
Even
done.
if she's like, I apologize, like, hey, I love you.
Get
I don't
you.
love this dude anymore. I love you.
Never. Never. Nah, that wouldn't work on my side.
So you're done with the girl?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. When my brother, if I choose a winner, now I choose a winner. What I sometimes do like, hey, tanda winner, uzovuma.
You know what, like, cause like, okay, it's kind of tricky, but if ever like we can talk about it, yeah. I think I love it that much. I think 3 months, it's nothing.
So how long?
6 months.
6 months.
It's 6 months, 5 months there, yeah.
That's okay.
Yeah. So like, if ever like she's like, you know what, I'm going with the bro. Okay, she can go with the bro, but if she wanna stick with me, like I can make it work. I can still make it work. I mean, after all, we're
Love her.
humans. Yeah, I do love her.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you just smashing or are you in love?
Like, I'm in love, but now you're making me doubt since now I'm seeing this guy. Like, I'm just doubting. But then, actually, I'm in love. I do love her. Like,
Okay.
truly, I do love her.
All
Yeah.
right.
But I must, okay, if you choose and then now we have Voma, uzoqhubeka umthembe. What's the next time I see another guy?
That's difficult. Okay, like that's I'm saying. We're gonna go home and talk about it. Like, to talk about it, and then maybe from there take things slow. Maybe from there, yeah. Well, yeah.
But then if you may figure that up in the it's maybe choose another two.
No, she can't do that. No. She must just choose one, or she must just walk again. Yeah.
Okay. No, it's fine. It's cool. Let's call the girl.
Yeah. Who's talking
Sis with Lensang.
to the girl? Oh, okay. Let's just confirm the number for me. There, my bro. Is this the number? All right. Yeah.
Ngabo confirm inamba kakelo wakho. Sayazi na ngekhanda. Hey, abukisha nga, hey Nkosi yami, hey Jesus. Okay.
Hey, Shelly. Hello, Shelly.
Hello,
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good, man. I'm outside your house, man. Remember we going out. Can you please come out, please?
come out.
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
This is
She sounds like a kid.
You sound like a kid this one.
No, where you going, my king? Come.
Yini usuyamlanda.
Were you thinking
Sifuna ukumlanda wena.
of fetching her?
Yes, yeah, no. Alright.
Uhlala ne-family.
Yeah, she's still staying by her house. Yeah.
Person lakho ngana lapha. Saseright.
Still good. Okay.
No, ngiyanizwa ma-gentlemen. Ngiyanizwa bafethu. So tell me, my guy, when you with this girl, so always when you guys together, you guys talk English. Why?
Yeah. Eish.
So what happens if maybe the girl she's angry?
She speaks Zulu.
She speaks Zulu.
Yeah, I understand her.
You understand?
But I can't reply. Yeah.
You understand this one?
Yeah.
How? Oh, usho ngani mfowethu?
Eh,
Usho ngani ndaba engaka? Yazi bhuti phela. Hey, umuntu oze nqamuka ulimi.
Hawu.
Ngathi nje kube into icacise ukuthi uyakwazi ukuyikhuluma.
Uyayazi le nto.
Hawu mfowethu. No man, we hear you. So, I mean, I want to ask you a question. So, basically, you really loved this girl. Like you really.
We all said. I loved
you.
that girl,
Is it? You don't love her anymore.
That's a tough decision, eh?
It's a tough question.
Me, I think like if it happened once, it will happen twice. She is a partner,
To see.
and now I'm the
to see
second
twice.
partner. Since the first partner has been 5 to 6 months, I'm 3 months.
You're behind.
I'm behind. You understand?
Leading.
Yeah. So let the leader lead.
It's 5-3 score.
Yeah,
It's 5-3.
correct.
So I'm gonna go and hide with you, my king. For ish, sesibaleka.
Athi uyasizwa.
Ngizohamba ngiyocasha nawe mfowethu. Yeah, we'll go and hide. And then bese uVusi eyasala la. He's gonna then chat uzokhuluma noBafu lapha. Belinde intombazane le ukuthi ifike.
Okay.
So me and you are gonna go and hide.
No problem.
Okay. Let's go, my king.
Go, Lucky. Do you play soccer? Yeah. Oh, I see the quiz. The brackets. Yeah, I see. Yeah, anyakuzwa bafowami ukuthi inhle lengane le.
Nah, she's just nice.
Ayithanda ne.
Nice. Yeah.
Uma ngathola ukuthi ke mhlawumbe nje ngephutha vele mhlawumbe nixolelana namhlanje. Uma uyafika endlini uthi. Nayi nje aduze kwenu uthi. Oh. Uma ngathi uthi mhlawumbe vele uthola uma ufika endlini mhlawumbe senixolelele. Ngathi uthenza uzokhuluma endlini neyilungisa. Uma usiyafika endlini uthi bamba ifoni yakho vele uthola omunye umuntu wesi3.
Nice.
Yeah, hamba kanjani? Ngiyayibamba nje kumincile. Ngiyayibamba kumincile. Ngiyakuzwa bafo. Ngicabanga ukuthi nguye lokho oqhamuka lapha. Usabale nje ngapha usevele wawo. Ufuna uyomlanda. Ucabanga kumlanda umhlangabeza. Usabinja phela njengamanje. Usabinja. Buka usefuna nokucasha. Hey. Akamlanda umuntu wakhe. Yabona sesabinje. Nguye lo screamayo. Ale nje kodwa yenza lutho. Azikho izinja kubo mina benizinja la. Yazi ngizayixoxa. Awumbuza ukuthi akaredi ngabe redini. Egqoka ophaqa kodwa. Futhi uzomtshela i-trip ayisekho abasahambi kwi-date. Yeah, woza ngifeza. Yini usabinja mama? Sekuthi akakulande phela ubabazi wena kubone lapha ukuthi le nje edlulela vele izokumisa kabi hamba kahle. Alright. Asikisa kanti msechazela endleleni ukuthi ama camera ubungakaboni, ubungakanotice ukuthi nama camera la. Ngisama camera unankinga nawo? Awunankinga?
Yeah.
Oh, wena umuntu vele we content into kanje uyayithanda ukushuthi.
Yeah.
Okay, igama ubani?
I'm Shali and you are?
Shali. Okay, nguvukusi mina bethu.
Okay.
uChris lo shootayo sibuya ku Diyaza TV. Senibambene kanje ngezandla seningama love davi
Mntwami no.
Seningama love davi lapha buka. For next.
Yeah, for next. This is my
Okay.
person this. Yeah.
No, wena my sister ubafo la uyachaza ukuthi namhlanje nizophuma khona la niyakhona wara but kanjalo so that's why sathi ithuba lokuthi sifike ke sikhulume nawe. Mingakho sila singangena ngekhaya kini. Yabo ingakho kubezelela. So my brother uyachaza ukuthi senina 5 months nendawonye and uyakuthanda and uyimisele ngawe. Umbone lokho ichaze kanga kuzokulanda nasenjeni lapha. Uziyakuthanda mfethu.
Yeah.
Imisele ngawe. So nje the only thing afuna ukuyazi ukuthi ngabe nawe uyamthanda yini awudlali yini ngaye yabo engaze ethi uinvest isikhathi sakhe kuwe kanti wena kunabafana abakushelayo ngale sobathembisile ukuthi ayikhululeke so bona next week.
I actually love him so much.
Ne.
Yeah, the first day he came into my life changed.
So
He
nice.
actually makes me so happy. I'll never think of hating him ever in my life. Yeah.
Iqiniso lelo noma amampunge.
It is the truth, yeah.
Oh, okay.
We're getting married soon.
Soon.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Tell me if my brother mangathiwa nje obasila maybe he's here to introduce omunye umuntu wesifazane. Ngakuphatha kanjani lokho?
Ngiphathe kahle ngoba ngiyamthanda lo muntu. I don't want to share him. No.
Maybe the reason ukukhona ama camera is because uzo introduce umuntu wesifazane. Uzokutshela ukuthi isithando sami yazikhona umunye ugel la. Kodwa ngithanda nobabili. Next.
No.
Mangathiwa okay ubamba ukuthi uyakuchithela umjila. Maybe ubambe over the phone or umbone ekuchithela. Will you forgive him?
No, I don't forgive cheating.
Even a chance?
No.
Next.
Yeah, if you cheated, you don't value me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if maybe yena ubamba wena ukuthi uyacheat, do you expect him to
Forgive me?
Yeah.
No, he shouldn't because I love him, he loves me, and I will never think of that. So if he finds me cheating, he must just like leave me, and I know that won't happen because I don't cheat. Yeah.
Chedile wafu.
Yeah.
Chedile.
Okay, lokho baba athi sanimoshela isikhathi senu konke lokho kushilo kuzobonakala. Sicela nje ukunika surprise ne surprise esamba nayo. The surprise lena ithengwe yithi mara choice kabafu because he knows ukuthi ithandayo ongayithanda.
Yeah.
So I choice yakhe. So thina nje sasiyasiza financially ukuthi siyithole ne. So ngizocela ukuthi ubhekele. So bafana uzofuna umvala amehlo mhlambe noma uzofuna
umvala
amehlo.
Yeah, umvala amehlo.
Okay.
Umvala amehlo.
All right, ngithi. Ushap?
Yeah.
Okay, bafo. I ngiyazwa. Manje nishaya black. Oh, you guys going to with it?
Asimbona ndolwakhe
Yalithanda ibhola? Ungaqala phenduka. Yalithanda ibhola do you love soccer?
No.
You don't even follow soccer. You don't follow soccer?
Yeah.
You don't? Okay.
uJesu yama
Ngizobala ka 3 then uphenduka. 3 2 1 phenduka. Surprise.
asimbona ngutha
Ndolwakhe
asimbona ngutha ndolwakhe asimbonga
Angmazi.
Awu.
kwashesha kanjani
Doesn't know me now.
oh hey that's also kubuza manga
Ubani lo?
Angmazi.
Ubani ongamazi?
simupho manje
Which one you don't know?
I actually know that you are both my boyfriends. I actually do know you. Yes, he is my boyfriend. You have become boring now.
Ubani oborai?
This one.
Because
Yes.
he said you guys have been together for 3 months.
Yes, but it's not
5
like
months.
before.
It's not like before.
Yeah.
So the 3 months until uma uqala nje uvele wabhora.
So
Yeah.
what are you saying? Are you saying you dated me the same time?
No, I just wanted to try something new. Like, be happy
Try
this
something
side.
new like what?
Be happy.
Do you hear
here,
yourself?
this side. be happy here and be sad here.
Oh, be happy and be sad, yeah.
Yeah, if I'm happy here, I'll be sad here, and if you make me sad, I'll be happy here. I just want my life to go smoothly. I don't want to be sad.
Or,
You want to
you
be-
wanna be happy and be sad.
Yes.
So basically, we're making you
fruit
both
banana.
happy.
Yes. Double happiness.
Double happiness.
But there's nothing I can't take.
Double happiness.
No,
I want double happiness, guys.
can't take that. Bro.
Double happiness.
Yes.
What's your
Who wouldn't want that?
Hey, my bro, who are you?
Who are you?
How?
Who are you, man?
Mana.
are you, man?
Really in love.
Hey.
Who are you?
Wait, we are confusing.
Who are you?
Who is that?
Why?
So which one do you love here? You love them both.
Yeah. Not really, but
What are
I
you
do love
saying?
you both. I can't choose. I want you both in my life. Double happiness.
Okay, what ini le
Hey.
ngalumchita.
Double happiness.
Ini chaza.
Double happiness.
What do you love about him?
His personality. He always like is goofy with me, but then it becomes boring sometimes and becomes dull.
That's when you come this side.
Yes,
side.
and be happy. If he's dull, I'll be happy here.
If he's
dull, I'll
you
be happy
that
here.
side.
Yes.
What do you love this side?
He loves like exploring things. Even now we are going on a date. This one never does that.
Yeah.
Yes, you just want to be in the house always.
What do you do when you in the house? What's happening there in the house?
What do you mean?
Don't be scared.
Are you doing the same thing?
Tell him we
when
open
you-
that legs.
Yes.
Do you use protection?
No.
Don't use protection.
You don't use protection.
Yeah, Ankiri, you trust me, Mus.
Baby, you see now. Don't do that. Don't tell me I'm trusting you. You're not using protection. I'm gonna get sick. Yeah? And then when I'm sick, what's gonna happen? Don't do that,
I'm
please.
sorry.
No,
So
sorry.
what
At
if
this moment,
what if
sorry doesn't
what if
mean
he's already
anything.
sick?
But then
At this moment, your sorry doesn't mean fuck all. Actually, there's a guy. I didn't know that you have a guy.
So
I
the
didn't know.
time this one approaching you, you didn't see the need of telling him you already have a boyfriend.
no, because he wouldn't love me like the way he does now. He wouldn't even take me on a date if I told him.
But you just mentioned that he never did. He never take you out.
This one?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't, really.
You're always in the house.
Yes.
Faga.
He wants Shilaila.
Yes, always.
Shilaila every day, my king.
One way, my king. Hey.
So my king, tell me.
Yeah.
As you hear the girl saying whatever she's saying here, how do you feel about that? She wanna be happy this side and be sad this side. If said this side.
Hey, that doesn't work on my watch.
That
If you are happy there, stay there. If I stay there, stay there. I'm not gonna go to one lady that there's two men.
Ne?
There's plenty of fish in the
So-
sea, my king.
Ne? So tell me, ne, will you love if this guy
please
decide to have another girl, since you also have two guys? If he decides
No,
to,
he is only mine.
but when you are not only his,
Yes.
And me?
You have become boring. Oh, I can't. I can't.
so why don't
Please
you
spare me.
so why don't you dump him and tell him no?
He has a personality that I like. This one can be goofy and this one can be
What is
goofy
goofy?
with me.
What is
like
goofy?
it can play things with me and we can be like I can be free around him, but this one I can't be free. I have to always be matured.
on this one.
Yeah.
Or this one is cool.
Yeah.
But now this one is want to leave because he can't stand this. What are you gonna do about that?
He mustn't leave. I love him.
No, tell him, not me.
Please don't leave. I do love you, but sometimes now
Also yezo jalo twaga habu khona njalo na window.
sorry. I'm so sorry.
So you love him, you want him to stay,
Yes.
and you also want him to stay.
Yeah.
Double happiness.
Double happiness.
Ah.
Nah, fuck that shit, bro. Me, I'm fine.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
But baby,
Oh, baby who?
Shit.
Yeah.
sweetheart.
Yo, baby. Like in
No, sweetheart.
No.
Yeah.
Gonna be nice words. They're not working anymore now.
It's gonna be a double
Not working.
sadness.
Hey, double sadness. Double
Yeah.
happiness to double
That's
sadness.
double sadness. Yeah, straight. Yo.
But you can also maybe get double happiness again
If you choose wise,
if you choose wisely.
you can get a
It can
double
be a double
happiness.
sadness.
And a double
A
happiness.
double happiness.
How so?
How so?
Also,
You don't see it.
double sadness and double happiness.
You can't do this.
I can't do this.
So you
man.
up now.
Now I am thinking twice. And before I told these people, they came with cameras. These people, I told them I have this
This guy
lovely,
loves you.
I
lovely
do
woman.
also love him too.
This guy loves you. He said even
That's not love.
if like he decided to leave, he
I
will
was gonna
stay.
stick by you. But the way you're going on right now, you're calling him baby in front of me.
sorry.
Baby.
It just slipped out of my tongue though.
You used to it though. You used to it though.
Yeah.
So now
Just a slap of a tongue.
Off a tongue, my king.
So you don't love me anymore now because
Like
I cheated once. Just because I cheated once.
It
Yeah,
can
it
happen
makes it-
twice. It can happen twice.
I've changed.
Make a wise decision,
Change.
Buddha.
Yes.
Where you met us, girl?
bruh.
Where you met her?
This girl,
Yeah.
let me just tell you something, Like we just met at the mall and so on. It was at the mall, it was at the Fix Pride. Like I think the shop was the Fix. She was just nice, you could see she was just alone there shopping and all that and so on. I just loved her from day one and so on. Didn't know which I'm gonna end up in this mess. This is the mess.
You loved her, but you never knew who she.
Just us.
No, my king, it doesn't work that way. And first of all, may I approach you in a good manner. It wasn't hard for you to say you have a partner or not.
And then
Not and
you're
then.
always in the house. Look, I went shopping alone because you're always in the house.
And then
You are like a
found the
fridge
man.
there, hour.
You're like a fridge there.
Mm.
Hey.
I am part of the furniture, I guess, my king.
You're like a fridge.
I am the furniture.
You are the furniture.
Yeah. Ish. I'm part of that couch, I guess.
Yeah, ne?
So, I'm not happy. Me, I want you to decide. Between the two of us, who you taking? Because I don't mind walking away at any second.
I love
Wait,
him.
wait, it will fuck.
Yes.
Fuck, bro.
And you love him. You love him.
Yes.
So then, so be it.
So be what? I also love you.
Ah. You know what does love mean?
Yes.
You know what is love?
Yes.
Ah. You'll take it for granted. I'm not up for it.
You could.
But people do make mistakes though.
Mistakes.
Yes.
Hawu. Kade uthi wena nje manje nje wena uthanda lona.
This one.
Uhlekani siswami?
It's funny, It's nice.
I do love you.
But
Hey, she told me she loved me, now she love you, then she love me, then she love you.
doesn't
I've never
know.
been
Aye.
confused in my life.
So like, hey, what decision maker are you leaving, or you? So that if maybe you're leaving, you can go to the car. We will get you there, and then we wanna hear the story. Yeah, what's gonna happen?
Yes.
But if
Yes.
you show that you're leaving,
Yes, I'm 100% sure.
You
Me,
sure?
I'm leaving.
no, couldn't then Maka.
I can't stand for that shit.
No, so that us we don't also waste your time, as she did.
Yes.
You can go to the car. We will
Last
we'll
word.
find you there. Okay,
Get matured.
that's great.
She's already matured. What do you mean? She's already matured. What do you mean?
Oh,
Matured.
She said she's with me because now I'm mature. You didn't playing around here being a goofy there inside the
She
house.
love you,
Amba
she love me,
fridge.
she love you, she love me. Get matured.
both of them.
Empty fridge.
Empty fridge.
Wena sesicathi kuyadlalwa lana ne. You think this is a joke? Nje ngiyakubuza mhlambe cha mhlambe kuyadlalwa mhlambe kudlalwa ini umlabalaba. This is not a joke.
She doesn't understand Zulu.
No, she does.
Do you understand Zulu? Okay.
She does. Uyamuzwa umuntu okuzwayo. Umbona la emehlweni.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Ya ngizwa kahle akusijoke le mama yazo. Adlali kanje. Now next time ucabanga ukudlala don't play like this. Cause nowadays kunento abathi GBV bayabulala abantu besimame bafaka ngaphansi kwembhede into ekanje. Yangibamba. So let's not play like this. Let's make sure we choose the things that we play about. And also nje just self-worth as a woman, you need to be proud man ngawe man uyiqhenye intombazana. Ungaqhenywe ile nonsense oyenza la. This thing ngeke kuphakele nix. This is bullshit.
Kodwa izoqeda eplatini lakho.
Kuphela nje idla wena ayidli ibona. Yangibamba. Yes, uyamthanda ubhuti, it's fine. We understand that. Asizeli uzojaja thina la. Nakhona futhi ungenza phela ukuthanda igcina usuka impilo yakho. Yangibamba. You can do whatever that you want. It's your life at the end of the day.
My brother, what's your take?
Okay, first things first, I'm really disappointed in her. I didn't expect that. When I'm missing him, cool, I don't know, but so yeah, if ever she's choosing me, okay, but then we still need to talk about it. Like I'm not okay. We still need to talk about it. Okay, the proof was about 3 months. Okay, that's why I'm assuming Gucci. So Gucci in that same, you know, slanganing is katisi one. It's just that maybe, but then, like I'll still talk to her, try to understand what's going on. But then if ever like she's not willing to change, because obviously we're all human. But then if she's not willing to change, I'm out.
Obviously, you're willing to change.
Yes.
That's what you should be there.
I am willing to change.
Awusilinde emonto yenu mkhulu.
No, but for noma silinda la umuntu wakho nivumelene ungahamba kungazuthi
ngifuna hambe kancane ngifuna kunento engifuna umele nje lapha kude nje mfowethu uqheleke
nathi ke sondadela nahambe sobele bomuntu lobhuti loya kodwa sifuna nje ukukhuluma naye
kancane nje 2 minutes hampela nje mfowethu hampela
ungasizwa
ungasizwa manje nasisi vele ama double happiness into zakho uthanda into ehamba nga double.
Yes.
Oh,
life is not that serious though.
Lo colored
Life.
Life ayikho that serious.
Ayikho that deep. Ayikho that deep.
I also want a double happiness, guys. Life is not that serious.
Ayikho that deep, man. This
life, don't take this thing deep.
Ingabi deep kakhulu.
Don't go through the head.
Ne.
Yeah.
Just on top.
Ibala phezulu.
Yeah.
Ube lento phezulu ekhekeni.
Ne.
I double happiness vele into zakho.
Yeah.
Hey. Manje.
Yeah.
Uke wabona mhlawumbe ilokhu njani yabo ilento. Ngifuna ukuthinga vele. I no akunankinga.
Chris, take us to the double happiness.
Double happiness.